In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Ionos contract step by step using the Ionos control panel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your cancellation is submitted correctly. First, make sure you're signed in to your Ionos control panel in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your domains, hosting, and any other services you have with Ionos. If you're not already logged in, go to the usual Ionos login page, enter your credentials, and once you're in, you should land on the main overview screen. From here, look towards the top of the page for a small person icon in the title bar. This icon usually represents your account or profile. Go ahead and click that person icon. This will open a menu or take you to an area where you can manage your account settings and contracts. After clicking the person icon, you should see several options or tiles related to your account. Look for the tile labeled Contracts and Subscriptions. This is where Ionos groups all of the products and services you're currently paying for. Click on the Contracts and Subscriptions tile to open it. Once this section loads, you'll see a list of your active contracts. These might include things like hosting packages, domain contracts, email services, or other subscriptions. Take a moment to carefully review the list so you're sure you're choosing the correct contract to cancel. This is important, especially if you have multiple similar products. Find the specific contract you wish to terminate and then click on its name. Don't just click anywhere in the row. Make sure you actually click the contract name itself. That will take you to a detailed view of that particular contract rather than just highlighting it in the list. You should now be on the Details tab for that contract. This page usually shows information like the product type, the term or billing period, renewal date, and sometimes pricing details. It's a good idea to quickly scan this information to confirm you're looking at the right contract before you proceed with the cancellation. On this same Details tab, look for a link or button labeled Cancel Contract. The wording might vary slightly depending on your region or interface language, but it will clearly indicate that it's for cancellation or termination. It's often positioned near the contract status or at the bottom of the details section. Once you locate the cancel contract link, click it. After you click, you may be prompted to confirm your decision, choose a reason for cancelling, or review any final information like the end date of the contract or remaining term. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully. If there are options for when the cancellation should take effect, such as at the end of the current billing period, make sure you select the option that works best for you. When you've completed the on-screen steps, look for a confirmation message that the cancellation request has been submitted. It's a good habit to note any reference number or to take a quick screenshot for your records. You may also receive a confirmation email from Ionos, so check your inbox to ensure everything went through, and that's all there is to it. By logging into your Ionos control panel, opening the Contracts and Subscriptions area, selecting the right contract, and using the Cancel Contract link on the Details tab, you can cleanly and confidently cancel an Ionos contract.